What's up, guys? Today I got this Eachine E150 RC helicopter, 6-channel. I don't really know too much about this other than everybody wanted me to start reviewing some more helicopters. I've flown my Blade CFX 360, a couple Blade helicopters. I have the Nano S2 that I fly a decent amount. I'm by no means a professional at flying these, but I picked this thing up. I was expecting it to be a little bigger, not that big, but it is quality. It has all CNC parts, carbon fiber boom, direct drive, brushless motors, front and rear. And for the price, which I will link below, you get the helicopter, the high quality transmitter, and 3 batteries. And these batteries are 3-cell, 500 milliamp. So first thing with these helicopters, super dangerous, always have the rotors locked. This is a whole button, so when I plug the battery in, this will not spin. So let's get this plugged in. It's gonna cycle up because this has a gyro, which is perfect. And we are good. Now, I'm gonna show you guys this transmitter real quick because I think for the price, you're getting a good amount. You know, my big transmitter alone, I think, was $600. So for the price of this helicopter, you're getting this remote. This is collective pitch, meaning the rotor spins at one speed. So you always want to start in the middle. If you're negative pitch, this thing's going to slam into the floor. If you're positive, it's going to climb up. And that's good for when you're flying 3D, which is this right here. I'm leaving it in, so to say, beginner mode because I'm not flying inverted. This is the rotor speed. So it'll spin at, I don't know, 1,000 RPMs or 2,000 RPMs. I haven't figured out what this is. And as I said, this is hold. So we're going to put this thing in the air and see how she flies. Let's go. Right off the bat, super stable. No tail spin. Look at that. Plenty of power too. Jeez. See how she goes around like an airplane almost. All right, so that's in the low head speed. I'm gonna whack the high head speed. You hear that change? Ooh, that's no joke right there. You hear that? Oh my God. I mean, power is no issue. This camera got a little weight to it. Let's see if we can get this on here and see if she still flies. Little zip tie action. Let's do it. These things are super dangerous, guys. So even when I fly these, I keep the dogs inside. You want to show the dogs real quick, sitting at the door waiting. Definitely be careful when you have these in the air. But I mean, this thing has no shortness of power. I can't believe how high it just climbs out like that. That's amazing. She had enough power to fly with the big camera, so let's strap the little one on. I'm a little worried about the CG, but hopefully she'll be all right. Let's do a quick land. Let me take that. Get back up. High speed one more time. I don't like it. It scares the shit out of me. If you guys are looking for like a good collective pitch, somewhat beginner to intermediate, this is it. Could also go full 3D, which I'm not going to do because I will total this thing so fast it's not even funny. getting no tail, like no tail slack when it's doing that. Look how level that is. Alright, now I'm gonna bring it in. I'm gonna hit that hold button. That's it. Sets it down. Eachine E150. I'd say not beginner, more intermediate, but if you're looking for something like this, collected pitch, this is the helicopter for you. Link is in the bio. Check it out.